Sa batch 80 po. 80, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. May mga representative na po ba kayo for search for Mr. and Mrs. Alumni 2025? Ba't ayos na po ng dili? Ba't 78 naman ang dili?
Sino ang magaluto mo?
Si Palam din, si Ramlin. Tsaka si
Sa batch
Sam.
2008 po,
Si ano, si Aida nagaluto. Ano yung niluto nila?
representative po for Mr. and Mrs. Alumni 2025.
Nakasain pa nga nila, kuha naman sa parade.
Batch 2008, 2009.
May sinain ako doon, rice cooker.
Ayan nga, anong batch po ito?
Ano pa yung magaling araw?
Batch 82.
Yan, lagay.
Sino po panlaban ng 2009? Si Sir Art po.
Pamaypay man dito. Anong init ko dyan? Pwede sa naay.
Sa 2009 po, si Sir Art po ba ang Mr. niyo, Mr. Alumni 2025?
Vlogger.
Ito ah.
Ano? Tutuke para malaki-laki ang maiabot niyan. Barya-barya na naabot kayo.
Hello po, good afternoon po sa lahat. Good morning pala. Yung mga batch representative daw po na mapipili ninyo ay may pledge daw po yun kung magkano po yung gusto ninyong i-donate. Tapos kung sino po yung mas malaki, yun po ang koronahan natin na Mr. and Miss Batch, Mr. and Miss Alumni.
Tayo magsasali na dyan. Tama na kitang pa, ano lang.
One lang tayo.
Chill lang tayo, chill.
Okay, mapakainin na lang. Mapakainin na para Ning! Ning! Nasa sa amin. Ay, ano pati?
So dun sa mga ilan po na representative po for search for Mr. and Mrs. Alumni is lalapit na lang po ba dyan, ma'am? Okay, so may pledge po kayong halaga. And then kung sino po ang pinakamalaki na mag-donate na yun po ang mananalaot natin kung koronahan. Mamaya po, mamayang gabi.
Ako si Ray.
So tayo naman po ay dadako sa isang presentation of former school heads and mentors sa pagbibigay po, pugay sa naging haligi ng ating paaralan. So let's welcome and recognize our former school heads and mentors. Salamat po sa inyong dedikasyon at pagmamahal. Kaya naman po, siguro, ma'am?
Ulam pa. Ay, ito pala.
Asan yung nilabon mo?
Ay, napunta ko muna ngayon.
Ah, pabalik-balik.
Good morning po sa ating lahat. Tinatawagan po si Doc Rhea para iabot, para sa pag-aabot ng certificate.
Oh, Dr. Goong.
Kain ng kanin o.
Oh, kain na kayo.
Kunin sandok dyan. Ay! May yatot ka ata. I'm sorry, my darling.
Atek mo namin ring...
Nandito yung bagoong.
Hello from... Ha? Ano nang...
Muli, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Second Grand Alumni Homecoming. So allow me to read the content of the certificates. and the certificates of recognition. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, the Schools Division of Marinduque, District of Buena Vista, Caigangan Elementary School, Caigangan Buena Vista. Certificate of recognition is given to in recognition of his outstanding services as former teacher of Caigangan Elementary School, Buena Vista District, Schools Division of Marinduque. His dedication and commitment to her work contributed much to the implementation of the policies, programs, and projects in terms of uplifting the academic performance of the school and the district as a whole. Given this 21st day of April 2025, during the Caigangan Elementary School second Grand Alumni Homecoming at Caigangan Elementary School, Caigangan, Buena Vista, Marinduque, signed Adelaida Morales Sagit, Principal 2. Certificate of recognition is given to Mrs. Renabeth M. Sumagi, former teacher. The same citation, certificate of recognition is given to Mrs. Amor S. Handa, former teacher. Mrs. Consolacion Latino, former teacher. Yung isa po ay nung first Grand Alumni. Mrs. Consolacion Latino. Kung meron pong representative, yung mga former teachers sa school heads, hindi rito, nandiyan sa tabi-tabi, pumunta lang po kayo dito sa stage. Mrs. Consolacion Latino. Mrs. Rubilin S. Pitaldero, former teacher. Certificate of recognition is given to Marlene M. Shena, former teacher. Certificate of recognition is given to Esperanza J. Libio, former teacher.
Kain na makigulo na dyan. Ang tahimik mo pa lang.
Another certificate of recognition is given to Mrs. Nesefura V. Anda, former teacher.
Sa Wilma.
Welcome po kay Kuya Bong at saka Mrs. Vinaret. Inaanyayahan po namin kayo dito sa stage. Mrs. Nisefura V. Agda, former teacher. Certificate of recognition is given to Mrs. Cecilia F. Evangelista, former teacher. Certificate of recognition is given to Mr. Mark Christopher Roy P. Montemayor, former teacher. Certificate of recognition is given to Mrs. Aloha S. Butcho, former teacher. Another certificate of recognition is given to Mr. Pedoteo Castillo, former teacher. Certificate of recognition is given to Mr. Larry Quijano. Another certificate of recognition is given to Mrs. Evelyn Licon. Another certificate, Mrs. Merlin P. Mancia.